Hello everyone, welcome to page Bantimin Rise. I am Sairong. This is the first video of lesson 33, which is about children and the playground. This is the short video. We will learn 5 words together. So, let's get started. First, once. Example, I went to Malaysia once. I went to Malaysia once. Second, welcome. Example, you are welcome in our class. You are welcome in our class. Third, truly. Example, truly God is real. Truly God is real. Fourth, unless. Example, you will get a bad grade unless you study. You will get a bad grade unless you study. Fifth, change. Example, you can change the classroom. You can change the classroom. Please review together with me. First, once. Second, welcome. Third, truly. Fourth, unless. Fifth, change. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. That is all for today. If you want to know more about this lesson, please click the link and watch the full video. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.